Hey everyone, my name is Dan. Today, we're diving into the main differences between Google Search and ChatGPT. Both are amazing tools, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down. First up, Google Search. It's a powerful search engine that helps you find information on the internet. When you type in a query, Google scans billions of web pages to give you a list of links, images, and videos that match what you're looking for. It's perfect for broad searches and research because it pulls from a vast index of online content. Google Search is great for exploring multiple sources and reading different perspectives. It updates in real time, so you always get the latest information. However, you have to navigate through the links to find the details you need. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's a conversational AI developed by OpenAI. Instead of giving you a list of links, ChatGPT provides direct answers and explanations in a chat-like format. This makes it super useful for quick, concise answers and interactive problem solving. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to understand and generate text. It's great for generating text, brainstorming ideas, and learning new concepts. However, its knowledge is based on data up to its last training cutoff and doesn't update in real time like Google. So, in a nutshell, Google Search is ideal for broad exploratory searches and finding diverse sources of information, while ChatGPT excels in providing quick, direct answers and engaging in interactive conversations. Both tools have their unique strengths and can complement each other depending on your needs. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.